everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so I'm going to be doing this fall section here at the Dollar Tree, so come on with me, guys. Now, a lot of these bows are brand new, like this design right here I believe is new. This one here, this one, not really sure about the others, but this is what they look like in case you're interested. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels. Now, I absolutely love this maple leaf, and I love the fact that it's raised. It is $1.50 though. Then you have these boxes right here. These are really cute for some small little arrangements, and these are their ribbons. So the styles have definitely changed. I do tend to lean toward the plain ones, but this is really pretty, guys. This one, this one, this one, and that one. So I'm kind of liking those. And you have these little fall little tin buckets, and here's your deco mesh. Okay, here are some LED lights. So these are the pumpkins. Let's see, the green ones are the acorns, and then you have the picks. So the picks are also $1.50. I'm really liking this green. I love the cream. Okay, we have some more. Now I have to say, I just bought this one the other day, and I am loving this one. So I think I'll come back and get another one. All right, so if we come over here, this is really pretty. So somebody stuck that there, but what I'm liking is that Hello Pumpkin. Wood sign, the Hello Pumpkin. So those are $1.50, and so is the actual pumpkin. This says Harvest Wishes. I'm sure you have other messages in between here, but I don't want to knock anything down. Then you have the Harvest DIY pins. Okay, so this one has the truck with the pumpkins in the back. These are the pumpkins, these are the maple leaves, and here are the pies. And like I said, no, these are all pies. Then you have the wooden ornaments. So I like the apples, these are the acorns. Okay, and then you have the little craft kits for the kids all the way up to the top here. And then this is a craft kit also. This one, and then this one. Okay, so always a lot of activities here for the kids. So we have all these. I do like this. Isn't this adorable, guys? It's a coffee. And once again, like these big ones here, say $1.50. Usually these are in the plus section, but I'm liking these. So how big are these? Let's see. This are 2 yards. So we have some more there. Then you have those signs, and then these are the pumpkins and the gourds. And I'm liking this ribbon, so this I find to be new. I absolutely love this ribbon right here. And what are these? Yeah, these are new. I think those are like the mushrooms. And then here are the fat quarters, and again, those are $1.50. Some more activities for the kids here. And I like these, the beaded decor. So there's your maple leaf. Very pretty. And so the beads are different color. Okay, I like these. And then these again, the signs. This is the pumpkin bowl. Some more. Oh, look at these. Okay, so these I never seen. This is the truck with the pumpkins that says thank you. Then this one says be thankful. Be thankful. Okay, so these are hooks, guys. It says welcome. That one says fall. And then these hanging signs are so cute, aren't they? So these are pies, and here you get 2. Here I like these. These are clips. Yep, those are clips. I like these berry garlands, and I am liking these for DIYs. So I'm not sure what I'm getting, so we'll leave that for last. This is kind of cute. And look at the size of these stand-up signs. I'm sorry for the noise in the back, but we're vlogging. And these are the leaves with that grain. I love that. These are the burlap ones, maple leaves. These are all maple leaves. And here is the burlap leaves in the orange. Back here you have the beige, and then you have the green, and then here is the burlap leaves, the regular ones. These are so nice. So I'm gonna be buying those more. And then you have the beaded pumpkins. So you have the white and there's the orange. And I like this color. But like I said, these are pretty, look at the size of this, guys. I like those. And then here are the faux bugs. That's really pretty. Again, these are the gourds, okay? And here's some more. I like this one. So I'm kind of liking, not sure what color I'm going with, but for right now, I'm liking the neutrals, even this green, guys. That's pretty. So here's the corn, decor. Love the sunflowers, and here are the wood apples. Okay, these are the cupcake wrappers. All right, and then these are called gift boxes. So I'm not sure what I would put there, but I like the faux leather words. This says blast. There's more than one word, I think, in those. These are stickers, and then these are the mushrooms, and those do come in colors. Here are the pumpkin clips. Here are the sweater ones, the velvety ones. I like this color. Okay, here's the green. Now, even the pumpkins are looking different. I don't know if you guys can tell. So, I like these. Just like them. I'm not really sure I like these. They look peach. So here you have more mushrooms. Here are the hats. These are scarecrow hats. Okay. And then here you have the little buffalo check pumpkins and the harvest acorns. And then down here somebody put these plates. I like the stickers, guys, because I like to DIY with them. So if you find one you like, look at that. I like these. They just have different kinds. So I think those are always a good buy. These are some stand-up signs, and the football is nice. And then here you have some more of these little bowls and trays, and here are the picks. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.